Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I will talk about a comment tool in Figma, okay? So what we use this comment tool for, okay? So as we know that Figma is a collaborative tool, okay? So if someone wants to add a comment or a review in your design, okay, so they can do that with the help of this comment tool, okay? So either you can click on this tool or you can click on C on your keyboard. That's the shortcut of the comment tool, okay? Now I come here, for example, I want to say that, okay, change this image. Okay, I don't want this image, just change this image with some other image, okay? So the moment you click on this one, this text box will be opening, okay? Now I'll write here, change this image. Now the moment you add any comment here, you will see that these three options are there, okay? So you can add an emoji if you want, okay? So and then you can also mention your team members, okay, whoever is working in the design, okay? Then there is an image upload option here, okay? So here some limit is also there. You can see that upload up to 5 images and GIF. So you can only upload up till 5 images only, so not more than that. So the moment I click on this one, you see I have two images, okay? So I'll just for an example, I'm going to click on this image. This got selected, okay? Here you can see done, okay? So now you can click on this icon here, or you can click on enter to submit this, okay? Done. So now I came to my design. Now I want to check what my team member have written here, okay? So I'm going to click on this one. So you see that the image also is there with the comment, okay? Now I have these three options here. Mark as unread, okay? You can mark it as unread, which will look like this, like after just you can mark it as unread also. Now you have this option here, copy link, okay? So link copy to clipboard. Now what does this do is you can just paste this link here, okay? This will open your file along with that comment, like that comment will be open, okay? And this, so you see how this works. So you can share it directly with someone, okay? So now there is another option here, delete thread, okay? The moment I click on this one, this will ask me that are you sure you want to delete this thread? This will delete any replies as well, okay? So here if you delete this, then the whole comment along with the replies, if anybody have replied to your comment, then that will also get deleted here, okay? So I'll not delete it now, okay? I need to show some other options here also. So here you see that the dock to side, okay? So here this one you can click, and then you see that this will automatically move aside of your design, okay? So that you can work here, so like that. So now here this is the mark as reserved. So for example, just think that you have changed this image, okay? So when you are done resolving that issue, you are just going to click on this mark as resolved. You see the comment is not there. That means it's already done. It's resolved, okay? So that is all about the comment tool. Let me know if you have got any doubt about this tool or you want more information about it. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much.